Hello viewers, welcome to Family Tree Maker Support. In this video, I will show you how to use FamilySearch easily and quickly. So, if you also want to learn how to use FamilySearch, then watch this video. As we know, FamilySearch is a very popular and free genealogy website that people use to search for their family members. In this video, I'll show you how to use FamilySearch quickly and easily, like adding family members and checking ancestors' profiles. Apart from this, how to search for a family member in records. So, let's start the video. First, as you log into your FamilySearch account, you will see a window like this. To check your FamilySearch family tree, just click the Family Tree menu and click on the Family Tree option. As you click on the Family Tree option, your family tree will show. Here is my FamilySearch family tree. Now, I will add my family members to my family tree. So, check this carefully. First, I will add my parents, so I just click on Add Father and then Mother. Please check how I can add my parents one by one. To add my father, I just click on Add Father and this window will show. I will add all the information that I have and just click on Create Person. And my father will be added. In the same manner, I will add my mother. Watch how I will do this. As same, I will add my wife's parents. You can also add the birth year if you don't know the date. Now, I'll add my son, so I will click on Add Child and perform the same task that I was done to add my parents. And it's done, my son has been successfully added to my family tree. Now this is my family tree. I can also change my family tree view. Check how I can do this. Just click on this drop-down button and choose any view that you want, like portrait, fun chart, and so on. Here you can check this small icon. If you click on this icon, then that person will come to the center. Apart from this, with a fan chart, you will also do many things, like you can separate the person by different colors. If you know what is in the fan chart, then please comment to us and we will make a separate video on the fan chart. Check the family member profile. To check the member profile, just click on the person and the person details will show on your computer screen. Search a person. To search a person, just go through the search option given in the menu. There you will get different options to search a person, like records, images, family tree, genealogies, and so on. Here, we choose records. As we click on the records option, a pop-up will come where we can insert the person details. Most of the person, just enter the details and click on the search button that is not good. To get a correct information, just click on more options given just besides to the search option. You can use it as a filter. Enter all the information that you have regarding the person and then click on search button. As you click on the search button, a list of related name will show. To check the information, just click on the person and the person information will show. Add a new person to the family tree. To add the person to your tree, just click on Add to Family Tree. The person will be added to your family tree. This is how you can easily search and add the person to your FamilySearch family tree easily and quickly. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions or need help, then contact the Family Tree Maker Support toll-free number 1-800-697-1474.